How to file a claim on the Geico app. Let's get started. Launch your Geico app. You can get this app easy from the App Store or the Play Store. After you launch it, you'll land to the login page. Now provide the credentials. Type in the user ID and the password. If you have forgotten the user ID or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you provide the details, click on Login, and with that, you'll be logged into your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From there, tap on the Claims option, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. After selecting Claims, you will see an option to start a new claim. Tap on File a claim to begin the process. The app will then ask you for some basic information about the incident. This includes details like the date, time, and location of the accident, as well as the type of claim you want to file, whether it's for an auto accident, glass damage, or something else. Next, you will need to provide more specific details about what happened. This app will guide you through a series of questions to gather the necessary information. You may also be asked to upload photos of the damage, the accident scene, or any relevant documents. This step is crucial as it helps Geico access your claim more accurately. Once you have entered all the required details, review your claim to make sure everything is accurate. Double-check the information, and when you are ready, tap Submit. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation number and overview of what to expect next. The app will keep you updated on the status of your claim, and you can track its process right from your phone. And that's it. Filing a claim with the Geico app is straightforward and convenient, allowing you to handle everything from the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching.